A unique medical tradition for an isolated tribe in Riau Province, Indonesia. Isolated tribes are groups of people who inhabit remote, isolated areas, as well as those who live wandering in the sea area. Usually the welfare level of these isolated tribes is still low. There are at least 6 isolated tribes in Riau, namely, the Bonai, Sakai, Talang Mamak, Akit, Forest and Sea tribes. Interestingly, almost all of these tribes have the same healing rituals. They believe that all diseases are caused by spirits. Here we present some healing rituals by remote communities. Check it out. Number 1. The Baduo Lansang Kakik. Traditional medicine of the Bonai tribe. The Bonai tribe is one of the indigenous tribes in Riau Province. The tribe is isolated and primitive when compared to other communities in Riau Province. The Bonai tribe lives in the district of Bonai Darussalam, Rokan Hulu Regency, Riau Province. The Baduo Lansang Kakik ritual is one of the existing treatment methods for the Bonai tribe. Lansang Kakik, which means small canoe. Just like other healing rituals, Baduo Lansang Kakik also uses the help of spirits to treat the sick. The spirits here are the spirits of the ancestors. Number 2. Rentak Bulian Traditional Medicine of the Talang Mamak tribe. Rentak Bulian dance is a traditional art that is ritualistic that grows and develops in the Talang Mamak tribal community. Rentak Bulian dance is a treatment medium in traditional community ceremonies. The Talang Mamak tribe believes that sick people are caused by disturbances by spirits. Therefore they will ask for the help of spirits to treat the sick. Number 3. Badeka, traditional medicine of the Akit tribe. The Akit tribe is part of the Malay tribe. They inhabit the areas of Rupat Island, Padang Island, Merbau Island, Tebing Tinggi Island, Rangsang Island, and Mendel Island in Riau Province. They are considered to be the first inhabitants of the islands. One of the unique rituals of the Akit tribe is a medical tradition called Badeka. This treatment ritual has been going on for generations. The Beka ritual is carried out to find out the cause of the disease and restore the patient's health. All diseases, according to the belief of the Akit community, are caused by supernatural spirits or ghosts, disturbances from ancestral spirits, as well as diseases caused by other people or witchcraft and curses. Number 4. Daikiai, a traditional medicine of the Sakai tribe. The Sakai tribe is one of the indigenous communities in Riau who inhabit the wilderness area. Before getting to know the Sakai tribe believed in Daikiai as a powerful treatment. Daikiai was a treatment with the help of the spirit. Spirits are invited to heal ailments. The Daikiai ritual is led by a shaman called the German. This main equipment in Daikiai medicine is the 9-leveled Malagai. Believe it or not, belief in spirits is at the root of the medical techniques used by the majority of the isolated tribes in Riau. They feel sure of the involvement of spirits in every disease suffered by members of the tribe. Therefore, the treatment of every treatment is carried out by involving spirits.